for tuning in, everybody. Today is a very special and exciting video because I not only have the normal one build going on, we've actually got three. So in today's video, you're going to see a V8 supercharged Ford truck that hasn't moved in a year or two. We're dragging it out of a field. You're going to see a Chevy pickup truck. That's right, a Chevy. It's going to be the first one for the channel. This truck hasn't moved in 17 years. We're dragging it out of the garage today. And we also still have a bunch of the awesome Coyote stuff coming. I want you to stay tuned for that. A lot of parts arrived, the controls for it. So we're actually going to see three trucks in this video. Stay tuned.
Go ahead, fire it up. Sounds good.
Well, it's running, it sounds great, and I'll tell you what, it's been sitting over there in the mud for a year. All we had to do was change the starter, it fired right up. Now the exciting part about this is, what are we going to do with it? Well, it's not mine, but if I have anything to say about it, let's take this body off and put something old and fancy underneath this supercharged beast. What do you think?
Yeah.
Man, that thing's cool. More on that later. Let's get down to this Chevy. Okay, we're finally here. We're at this very special family heirloom 1965 short bed Chevy truck. And this is our good buddy Josh. Say hi, Josh.
Hello, Josh.
I knew he was going to say that. I really did.
Predictable, you know?
So the truck is special for a lot of different reasons, and we'll get into that as the build progresses. But for right now, I want to talk about what's amazing. And the thing that excites me about it is it's a short bed, it's a 4-speed, it's V8, and it's step side. 1965, this thing's cool. So stay tuned, watch us drag it out of here. It's been in here 17 years, or at least in the family. We're going to take it over to another garage where we're going to work on it and figure out how to get it back on the road. Stay tuned. Oh, I think that was a skunk in the road back there. So we're loaded and rolling. We're on our way. And Big Brad, he's up there towing the Chevy. So it's about a 40-minute drive. I'm not going to talk the whole time. You don't have to fast forward the video. This will be it until we get to where we're going. We'll unload it. Oh, hang on. Tunnel. This thing's kind of fun to drive, really. I mean, the thing handles amazing. Pretty hot. It's got good rubber, so I'm happy with that. That was a tunnel, I missed it. Yeah, how am I going to film over here with freaking roosters crowing all the time? Man.
That's awesome. That lets them...
Well, it's here. We're going to spread all the parts out and find out exactly what we have and what we need. And I'll start doing an itemized list. But it hasn't seen the light of day in many years, and it sure hasn't been this far away from home. So I'm looking forward to it. Stay tuned. was that damn rooster. I think I'm gonna eat him. Was that the rocker panel, this sill as you call it, was too high and the door wouldn't fit. Well, we did a preliminary test and it looked like it was gonna fit. Long story short, it isn't. It doesn't fit. This rocker is too high. I have to cut it and I'm gonna section it and pull it down so that the door will fit. I don't know if I can keep working here though with all these goddamn roosters. I swear I'm going to bring chicken-proof earmuffs because it gets really loud. That Chevy truck is special for a lot of reasons, and I'll explain more about that as the build goes on. But the one cool thing is when we do repower it, we have yet to decide what we're going to repower it with. And I heard things from 2JZ all the way to twin turbo and even a rotary, but that's not going to happen. I mean, not yet. This Chevy is going to have, you know, it's going to be a Chevy-based truck. We don't know what condition that motor is in until I get it out. So stay tuned to the channel. A lot of Chevy people have been asking about it, and that's going to be one cool truck. On to this Coyote truck. We've gotten a lot of the parts have arrived. Pretty much everything I need to get it to run is here. I do need to fabricate a couple of small mounts and brackets. The cooling system has yet to be worked out. The full fuel system has yet to be worked out. But this week, I'm spending on this truck. I want to hear that engine run, and I know you do too. So that's where we're going to leave this episode. The next video series, you're going to see not only the Coyote, you're going to see the Hemi Studebaker. You know that's not done. Don't forget about the 1968 F100. That's still sitting, waiting in the wings. Actually, it's gathering dust right now, but that one's coming back. We have the 65 Chevy, and of course, we're going to hear this Coyote. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share everywhere you see fit. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.